Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. 2003 Honda Element, right? And some people don't realize they have a cabin filtration, cabin air filter. It's hidden behind the glove box. To remove the glove box, you have to push from inside of the glove box off these two things, right? These two securing, let's say, parts, and then you have a nice look behind. There was this already installed on that left side, right, which you will find it there, and you just unclip this clip and it will come off, and that allows you finally to pull, right, you see that, to pull out the cabin air filter. This owner keeps this vehicle absolutely pristine. It's absolutely beautiful, but I think nobody ever told him that there is in this model nicely hidden cabin air filter. Because if you look on the details, this car is absolutely perfectly clean. It's a proud ownership, right? And he just must be not told that it's there. So now you know every Element has a cabin air filter hidden behind the glove box. Thank you for watching, my friend, and please be subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way on this channel. See you later.